We're here in St. Anton at the world-famous Musewirt. Apparently one of the world's most famous après-ski bars. We're going to have our Christmas lunch here. We have a little Christmas cheer for you. Okay, ready, go. 3.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, everybody.